Let's look at this scenario involving administrative tasks in Azure. We have a table with 3 statements, each asking whether a specific action can be performed using the Azure portal. The table has 2 columns, statement and answer. Row 1. A user can use the Azure portal to create a new Azure AD tenant. Row 2. A user can use the Azure portal to create a new Azure subscription. Row 3. A user can use the Azure portal to create a new Azure resource group.
The concepts involved here cover the foundational management capabilities of the Azure ecosystem. Specifically, we are exploring whether the Azure portal serves as the primary interface for provisioning identity tenants, billing entities known as subscriptions, and the logical containers for our cloud resources. Consider each statement carefully regarding the administrative reach of the portal interface.
In my view, the correct answer for all 3 statements is yes. Each of these tasks, creating a Microsoft Entra ID tenant, an Azure subscription, and a resource group, is a standard operation that can be performed directly within the Azure portal. Since each action is fully supported by the interface, there are no incorrect statements in this list.
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Reads the question and explains the correct answer. Microsoft Entra ID, previously known as Azure AD, is managed through the portal, allowing for seamless tenant creation. Subscriptions are also managed via the Subscriptions blade, provided you have the appropriate account permissions. Finally, resource groups are the most fundamental building block in Azure, and creating them is a core task in the portal. A quick exam tip. Remember that the Azure portal is the unified hub for managing almost all administrative Azure resource lifecycle tasks.